What if your university experience went beyond classrooms and into groundbreaking research? At Central Queensland University, students benefit from a strong culture of research, innovation, and industry collaboration. CQU's research labs and innovation centres focus on solving real-world challenges across fields such as engineering, information technology, health, agriculture, sustainability, education, and business. Students have opportunities to engage with advanced technologies, contribute to impactful research projects, and learn from leading researchers and industry experts. These experiences help students develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and innovation skills that are highly valued in today's workforce. Whether your goal is higher research, industry innovation, or entrepreneurship, CQU provides an environment that encourages discovery and practical impact. At CQU, innovation isn't just studied, it's created. Research, innovate, lead the future with CQU.
IAEC Consultants, Private Limited, guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.